How to create a design like this in Affinity Photo. First thing you do, create a layer. So layer, a new layer, then go to edit and fill and just fill it with black. So this is the secondary colour and click apply. Then go to filters and colours and down to halftone. So select that. And with that selected, you can then use the cell size, just reduce it down. At the moment you can't see anything. What you need to do is go for colour. That's the screen setting. And you can modify this setting as well as under colour removal. And you can change the cell size if you want it slightly bigger. But now you can see you've got lots and lots of dots. Now, of course, you can do it in many other ways as well. Create these dots. And also you can modify the screen angle. And then click apply. So with these dots, you now distort them. So filters, and go to distort and deform. I'm going to go with similarity. For that one, so similarity, and I'm going to add some pins, and there's just little pins here you can just quickly add, and then you can distort this design and you can drag it out to create all kinds of weird and wonderful distortions. And you can see as that, you can just select there and you can crunch in the center to create some very closed designs there, and just drag that out again, and you can add as many pins as you like and apply. Click apply. You can always go to filters and repeat deform just to see if it's a more interesting effect. Well, with this design, you can now duplicate it. So it's just a layer, pixel layer. So go to layer and down to duplicate. So you duplicated it. And so now you can right click and you've got an option here for transform. So transform and flip horizontal. And you can see now it's been flipped. But now you can go over here to layers and you can go for the blending modes and you can go for difference, lighten, just try them out. But I'm going to go with negation. So negation is the one I'm gone for. And now what you can do, you can combine them. So select both and then go to layer and you can go down here to merge selected. So they're merged into one layer. However, what I like to do is then go to filters and repeat deform again. So repeat deform and you get something like that. Do the exact same. Go to layer and then down to duplicate. With that duplicated, you can then go right click and down to transform and flip horizontal. With that, you can then go over here again to the layers and you can go through these and you can use any of them, but I'm going to go with negation. So negation, and that is it. So just a layer and you can merge them all selected into one layer. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Also, always adding new tutorials about Affinity Photo, Photoshop and many others. So please subscribe to the channel. Bye.